Hello everyone, this is Miss Sumitra. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my nail extension with Color Me Pretty polygel. I'm going to open my box now, which I have purchased Fusion Gel Starter Kit, which comes with 2 tubes of Fusion Gels, 2 different colors. In this package, this is Harbour Bridge File 100, 150, 180, 240 grain, and that is Fusion Gel Brush Tool. That's the product removal tool, and what else? Yeah, that is also another color. I have 2 color of the gel polish. This is the base coat, and this is the pink color of gel polish, and this is the cute one, cuticle oil. And this one you can use to push the gel from the tube. And top coat, you don't have to wipe that. And this is the lint-free wipe. And this one is Dappen Dish. So cute. Lovely. And this one is Fusion Brush Tool. You can take out the product from this side, and another side is the brush to push the product. This is all comes in a kit. And this one is dual foam. I bought it separately because it doesn't come in and this kit. Nail polish. Look at this, so beautiful. And another one, the cuticle oil. Let me show you how many cuticle I have bought. Here is my 6 different type of cuticle oil. They all look so beautiful. And here is my extra purchased, because I've been liking this Color Me Pretty gel nail polish from 2-3 years, and I've been using it, but I haven't used a polygel. So yeah, I end up buying a polygel kit plus all of this nail polish. These are the product I'm gonna use today. Sorry for my yucky heavy lamp. Here is the mama's nail, and here is after I done my polygel. Ta-da! If you want step-by-step tutorial, comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching me today. Bye!